Gated and private, this 20-acre vineyard estate will suit the most discerning buyer seeking a unique rural property in which they can immerse themselves in the exquisite setting and wine country lifestyle of Glen Ellen. Nestled between the Mayacamas Mountains and Sonoma Mountain, this estate is framed by endless views offering distant vistas and spectacular aspects from every direction. The property offers 2 residences, a guest apartment, 2 detached 3-car garages, and 2 attached 2-car garages, a carport, as well as a beautiful spring-fed pond, bridge, island, fully lit tennis court, and 8 acres of premium Cabernet and Zinfandel vines used to create world-class wines for both BR Cohn Winery and the owner's private label, Trestle Glen Vineyards. The vineyard generates roughly $100,000 in gross income per year just from the fruit sales to BR Cohn Winery, without regard to the existing wine inventory and Trestle Glen Vineyards label developed by the owner. The label and wine inventory are offered separately from the real property. Additional details for both are available upon request. This property generates additional income from renting the 2 homes. Rental income for 2018 totaled approximately $120,000 without incorporating the apartment or additional outbuildings. The main residence is an elegant single-level ranch-style home with vaulted ceilings and an open floor plan, all remodeled in 2014, offering a brilliant blend of class mixed with country graciousness throughout its living space, consisting of approximately 3,175 square feet with 4 large bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The second home offered with this property was built in 2010. It's a converted dairy barn with approximately 3,400 square feet of living space, featuring a kitchen great room design with 3 en-suite bedrooms, a chef's kitchen, an outdoor kitchen area, and flagstone patios, all landscaped for privacy with vineyard views all around the home. The entire compound, including the fully lit tennis court, 45-foot pool, and spa, and its vast poolside flagstone patios, are all surrounded by vineyards and large valley oaks with big sky and wonderful views all around. The potential for the ultimate family estate compound, corporate retreat, or income property with all the opportunities this property offers may suit your needs while being only 3 minutes from the village of Glen Ellen, 10 minutes to the historic town square in Sonoma, as well as an easy 20-minute drive to all the amenities Santa Rosa has to offer, and just 42 miles to the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco.